She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. There you are. She doesn't love me. Well, of course she doesn't love me. She wants to live and love and dress in light colours, and there I am, a 25-year-old, perpetually minding that she stopped being young. When I'm not there, she's 32. And when I'm there, she's 43. That's why she hates me. They don't acknowledge the theatre. She loves the theatre. She thinks she's serving humanity the sacred cause of art. Whereas in my opinion, the modern day theatre is just an analogy of stereotypes and received ideas. When the curtain goes up, they're in a room with 3 walls lit by artificial lighting, because it's always in the evening. These great artists, these high priests in the temple of art, they demonstrate how people eat and drink and how they love to walk about and wear their suits. When now these banal scenes and trite words, they try to attempt to extract a moral, some small, simple moral, with 100 household uses. When under 1,000 different disguises, they keep serving me up the same old thing. The same old thing. The same old thing. And then I run. And I don't stop running. Just as Maupassant run from the side of the Eiffel Tower that weighed on his brain with this sheer vulgarity. What we need is new artistic forms. And if we don't get those new forms, it'd be better if we had nothing at all. Best out of 3.